G'day YouTubers, how are you? Wazza here. This is my 2016 Yamaha MT10. It's looking pretty flash. The next bike you're going to see is a 2013 Fat Bob, which I owned. It's about 30,000 Ks when I did this, and you can see that this bike's looking pretty good as well. Very flash. It was a very nice bike with a few mods, but about the cleaning aspect of it, it's so easy. This is a 2005 anniversary Fat Boy, and yes, the Ks are correct and I did them all. And yes, again, it's real easy to clean your bikes. Today's video we want to talk about, do you really need to get a gurney out, clean the old bikes with a gurney and soap and all that stuff? So on my bike I've got 24,306 kilometres and never washed it. Well, I guess first and foremost, if you're new to my channel, I have done a couple of cleaning videos. All I use basically is a chamois, and I have a product called vinyl rejuvenator. Now for these MT10s, there's a lot of plastics on these MT10s. They're so much fun. So with the plastics, when you wash them with detergents, there's a good chance what you're going to find is that they're all going to go sort of faded and look shit. The brake levers, all these matte black finishes aren't real good when it comes to gurneying your bike with detergents and everything. The other thing with the earlier Harleys I had is a lot of owners were getting their bearings done. Now what that was from was just injecting water under pressure into the bearings and drying them out. So you can get these problems when you use water, but what about all the electronics on these new bikes? I actually feel personally for me that the electronics can be affected by using too much water. So they're water resistant, I would imagine. So you know, of course they are when you ride your bike in the rain, they're water resistant. But when it comes to water under pressure, did you see that there? Now I'm noticing in B mode, I think because my bike is probably starting to loosen up a bit, that I'm getting a flat spot when I go to accelerate. So when I dipped into that corner then, that was a flat spot before it picked up, which caused me to go deep into the corner. So I might have to go back and just get a retune, and I might actually do the new air filter at the same time. It's just B mode, all the other modes seem fine. So getting back to it, you know, it's easy enough to clean your bike with a chamois and a rejuvenator and a bit of polish here and there, and that's really all it is. I would imagine if you're living in a colder country where, me personally, they're using salts on the roads to stop the ice and all that, of course I'd be inclined to wash my bikes more. But in the end, in Australia, well, as you can see, there's a bit of cow poo here and there, which happens. But overall, all of those bikes and all of those Ks are pretty well, once or twice I've washed it, but every bike I've ridden in the rain. So I view the rain, when I ride in the rain, as, I guess, a form of washing your bike, unless it's the end of the rain where it's all sludgy. Anyway, that's me. Thought I'd just pop in and say hello. Might be time for me to go back and get the B mode retuned a little bit, and maybe add a new air filter just to give it a bit more juice. May as well do two things at once. Alright, well cheers everyone. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the merry-go-round.